Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware, a compatible 5G modem or mobile gateway, and an active SIM with a proper data plan. Once the SIM is inserted, power the modem and log into its web UI using the default IP. This is how you set APN and cellular mode. Make sure the modem reports a 5G NR connection and signal strength before proceeding, because linking over Ethernet only works after the modem itself has a cellular link. Now plug an Ethernet cable from modem LAN to your device or router. Once done with physical links, configure the LAN side. Decide whether the modem provides DHCP or will operate in bridge mode to hand public IPs to your router. If you use bridge mode, enable PPPoE or WAN on your router to accept the cellular link. If you use NAT, keep the modem's DHCP, but set clear LAN subnets to avoid conflicts. Make sure firewall rules and port forwarding match services you need. Test routing by pinging external IPs and loading websites over the Ethernet connection. To finish, validate performance. Run speed tests and monitor latency to confirm you're on 5G and that Ethernet is carrying traffic. If something fails, reboot modem and router first, then reset the SIM. Simple resets often restore registration. If issues persist, switch band or preferred network type in the modem UI, check carrier provisioning and APN settings, and update firmware. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see no public IP or NAT double layering, toggle bridge mode versus router mode to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.